Drowning is the second highest cause of death in children under 5, and the second highest cause of accidental death in children under 14. Scary, but true. That's why it's so important to have a pool alarm like the Techko S287 strobe pool alarm, the S189 slim pool alarm, and our bestseller, the S187D pool alarm. They have a high output 110 decibel alarm siren that sounds when the magnetic contact is broken without pressing the adult bypass button first. These installation instructions apply to all 3 models, the S187D, the S189, and the S287. First, decide where you want to install the alarm, a gate, door, window, or other entryway to your pool area. Next, clean the surface where you want to install the alarm. Make sure it's dry and free of any debris. Attach the magnetic sensors to the entryway by removing the adhesive stickers on the back. Then mount the alarm unit to the surface using the included adhesives. Install the singular bypass button on the opposite side of the door and plug it into the bottom of the main unit. Make sure it's out of reach of children. And finally, test the alarm by opening and closing the gate, door, or window. The alarm should sound when the magnetic contact is broken without pressing the adult bypass button. So here's how it works. When someone enters the pool area unintentionally, the high output 110 decibel alarm siren will sound. To turn off the alarm, press the bypass button and the alarm will stop sounding. For parents, you can temporarily disable the alarm for 10 seconds by pressing the adult bypass button before opening. The alarm will automatically rearm after the 10 seconds have passed. All Techko Safe Pool Area Entry alarms meet UL standards for child pool safety laws, so you can rest assured that your family and friends are safe around your pool. But don't wait until it's too late. Keep your loved ones safe around your pool and get your hands on a Techko Safe Pool Area Entry alarm today.